Afternoon rush taking us to the Elm City now, where they are bringing vaccines directly to the most vulnerable. Today, the city of New Haven and its health department launched its first 2 pop-up COVID clinics. Seniors lined up in anticipation as nurses administered the shots to those 75 and older at 2 senior living complexes.
There's been some apprehensiveness by some community members. There's also been a concern that not everyone has access to the internet, things like that. So the health department has worked very hard to ensure that everyone in the community will have access to the vaccines.
And Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland visited the 2 sites. He is joining us live with the mobile newsroom right now. And Matt, this is something that the city has really been working on for quite some time.
Absolutely, Aaron. You know, since late December, the city has vaccinated about 3,500 people, most of those in the 1A, the medical folks. But now they're moving to 1B, sort of looking at those 75 and older, the most vulnerable. The issue is, though, in that population, there might be folks that don't get around that easily. Maybe it's they're using walkers, wheelchairs. They also might not have access to transportation. So that is why the city decided that they were going to bring the vaccine directly to those folks. They say that is the best way to make sure they are vaccinated.
Well, I think that is great, Matt. Obviously, there are a lot of people in unique situations. So is this something that the city of New Haven is planning to continue to do?
You know, absolutely. This is just day 1, 2 locations. There's one here in the West Rock section, and there was also another one in the Hill neighborhood of New Haven. And they say the health department, the city, working with a number of senior housing complexes going forward. They already have a schedule. They're going to be going around to these senior complexes, bringing the vaccines to those 75 and older. And already the folks that got vaccinated today, they already have their appointment scheduled for 3 weeks from today to get their second dose.
All right, that is good to hear. Matt